What is up? So it is me, Hafiz. Today, this is the first video in my YouTube channel. So, I want to start in YouTube, and at this time, I don't know what's start for this channel. But I want to start in social media. I want to famous, but I don't know how to famous. So today I start where I am. I know I will be where I am, where I want. So I just want to you, if you want to success in your life, start where you are. Do what you want. Move alone. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to fail, go others. So don't compare yourself and keep up where you are and start where you are. So I hope you are subscribed from me. So there is my YouTube channel. I'll keep up in the short video. So I hope you are support from me. So if you advise from me in the comments, so thank you.